Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing question number 5, 6 and 7 from exercise 6, 8.6, which is the last 3 questions left out from this chapter as well, right? So I hope you guys don't have any problem as because we are at the end of the chapter. Now after the completion of this we will proceed with the next chapter, so that will be updated soon as well. Okay, so let us start doing now. Question number 5. Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter cloth. She cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much cloth is left with her? That we have to find it. Very simple, very logistic. Tina has a long cloth which is of 20 meter 5 centimeter length, total length, and now she is cutting 4 meter 50 centimeter length. After cutting, now what is the total cloth left? That we have to find out. Very simple. Okay, let's start doing. Total length of cloth Tina has equal to 20 meter 5 centimeter. Now what I want you all to do is, there you can see there are 2 units, right? So let us convert this unit into one simple unit. You know how to do the conversion. Either you convert into meter or in centimeter. Alright, so 20 plus 5 by 100 is equal to, this will be converted into meter because we are converting centimeter value into meter. So 20 plus 0.05, if I divide this, I'll be getting this. So if I add this value, I'll be getting 20.05 meter. So this is the total length of the cloth Tina has. Now from here, Tina is cutting, so let us write portion of cloth Tina cut is equal to 4 meter 50 centimeter, isn't it? 4 meter 50 centimeter. So I am converting this again into meter. So 4 plus 5, 50 by 100, it will be converted into meter. So 4 plus, it will be 0.5 meter. Now if I add this, I'll be getting 4.5 meter. So this is the portion of the cloth Tina has cut, and this is the portion of the cloth, total portion of the cloth, that is the total length of the cloth. Now after she cuts the cloth, what is the total length left out with her? Cloth left with Tina is equal to, so at first she had 20.05 meter cloth, total length. Now she is cutting 4.5 meter length cloth. So let us now subtract this 5 here. It will be 5 again because this is going to give 1. It will be 9 here. 9 minus 4 is 5, and here it will be 1. So it will be 15.55 meter. Okay students, so I hope you guys understood why I have converted this 2 unit into single unit, so that it will be helpful here. Just have a look. Most of the students will face a problem when they have 2 units. So I don't want you all to face any problem when you are solving it. So I hope you guys understood. So let us proceed now to the next question. Question number 6. So question number 6 states that Namita travels 20 kilometer 50 meter every day. Out of this, she travels 10 kilometer 20 meter by bus and the rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? That we have to find. So Namita is traveling every day. Okay, so first of all, every day she is traveling 20 kilometer 50 meter. Out of this, 10 kilometers she is traveling, 10 kilometer 200 meters she is traveling by bus. And what is the remaining distance? What is the remaining distance she is traveling by auto? That we have to find it. That means the rest of the, after 10 kilometer 200 meters she is traveling with auto, by auto, right? So let us write total distance travel by Namita is how much? 20 kilometer, 50 meter, isn't it? So here again there are 2 units, so I request you all to follow this, that is to convert this into 1 unit. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter, 1 by 1000 kilometer. I hope you know this. So 20 plus, okay, so it will be 0.05 kilometer. Okay, here I have written one extra 0, so let me erase this. So it will be 0.05 kilometer. Now if I add this, I'll be getting 20.05 kilometer. So this is the total distance traveled by Namita. Now out of this, she is traveling how much? 10 kilometer, 200 meter by bus. So let us write distance traveled by her in bus is equal to how much? She is traveling 10 kilometer 200 meter. Again there are 2 units, so let us convert this into the normal one, into 1 unit, not normal, I cannot say normal, both are normal, isn't it? So kilometer here, so 2 zeros will be deducted, so I can write it as 0.2 kilometer. Okay, if I add this, I'll be getting 10.2 kilometer. Okay, now so this was the total distance traveled by Namita, and out of which she traveled 10.2 kilometer by bus. Now what is the total distance? What is the remaining distance? Whatever is the remaining distance, that is that will be the distance traveled by auto by Namita. So distance traveled by Namita in auto, by auto or in auto, is equal to the total distance. The total distance, what is the total distance? 20.05 minus the distance traveled by the bus. That we will be getting the result. So 5 here, so 0 minus 2 is not possible, so I'll be getting 1 here. Now 9 minus 0 is 9, and here it will be 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, so it is 9.85 kilometer is the distance traveled by Namita in auto. Isn't it very simple? So the questions which are totally based on the decimals and the conversion, I hope you guys understood how to do this. So this is the answer, 9.85 kilometer. Okay, so proceeding to the final question. Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. So Akash bought a vegetable, that is total weight of that vegetable was 10 kg. Okay, now out of this 3 kg 500 gram is onion. Out of this 10 kg 3 kg 500 gram was onion. Okay, onion, let me write it as O. 2 kg 75 gram as tomato, and the rest is potato, and the remaining one out of this is potato. What is the weight of the potato? That we have to find it. Very simple, right? So let us write total weight of vegetable bought by Akash is equal to 10 kg. So total weight of the vegetable bought by Akash is 10 kg. Now from this 10 kg, 3 kg 500 gram is onion. So weight of onion is equal to 3 kg 500 gram. Yes, and weight of tomatoes is 2 kg 75 gram. Yes, so this is the total weight, 10 kg, and out of which there is an 3 kg 500 gram and 2 kg 75 gram are the weight of onion and tomatoes respectively. Now whatever are the remaining out of this 2, that will be the weight of potatoes. So that means what we have to do, so total weight including onion and tomatoes is how much? We have to add it. So here it will be 5. So 5 will be there, 7, 5. It will be in gram now. This is in 5 kg. So it is 5 kg 575 gram. If you add this properly, let me write it properly, 5 kg 575 gram. Now let me convert this in 1 unit, okay, so that it will be easy for you to subtract from 10 kg. So if I convert this, 5 plus 575 divided by 1000 gram is equal to 5 plus, so it will be 0.575. Sorry, it is not in gram, as I have converted into kg. So I should write this unit in kg. It is 5.575 kg. Okay. Now what is our question? Our question is to find the weight of the potatoes. Out of this 10 kg, this much is the weight of onion and tomatoes. So therefore, whatever is the remaining weight, that will be considered as the weight of potatoes. So therefore, weight of potatoes is equal to, out of 10 kg, 5.575 kg was the weight of onion and tomatoes. Now the remaining weight, that is, if I subtract this two, I'll be getting the weight of potatoes. Very simple. So I'll be getting 1 from here. It will become 10 minus 5 is 5. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Here is also 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. So it has become now 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. So this is the total weight, which is of the weight of potatoes. So it is 4.425. So this question was a little bit tricky one, because here we have to add. There are 2 units already. The weight of the 2 vegetables was already given. Only the last vegetable was not mentioned, so we found that in such manner. So I hope you guys understood. So sometime you may get such questions also. You have to be prepared for this. Okay, so this is the way of doing. Alright, so this much for today, student. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.